and that adds up a total of USD, which is about 5. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Mr. Kim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video to share with you guys, which is how much I make in 2020. Because when I was browsing the internet, I saw a lot of YouTubers sharing how much they earn, some big, some small. But there's this very interesting article talking about this nano influencer earning by doing her yoga or exercise move. So in my back of my mind, I was thinking, how about this nano zero influencer, a zero plus influencer becomes zero influencer.
Zero influencer. Zero influencer. Zero influencer.
Basically there's no influence at all by doing an unboxing video. How much I earn, and I'm going to show you the graph of the earning that I have. And today I'm going to be really transparent about it. So if you have not been subscribing, make sure you click on the subscribe button somewhere. Alright, so okay, without saying, in 2020 I made about 47 videos, and not a lot, I know, because I was spending time doing another thing. With that said, 2020 has been really a tough year. People are out of job, being pay cut, and yet I'm stupidly still buying things to do unboxing video. How stupid I am. Okay, before we even go into the exciting part, how about I share the unexciting part, which is the amount that I spent to do unboxing video. Just within 2020 itself, not including things that I purchased and not upload to YouTube. Some people might be thinking that I got sponsored to do unboxing video. I wish I was sponsored. I wish I was, but no. Sadly, I do have only one client which sent me a product to do a product review, and that's about it, right? The rest of the unboxing video is I earn by my hard earned money. So we should go through each video in 2020 and share the amount with you guys, the total amount that I spent to do an unboxing video, and before I announce my graph of earning. Let's even scroll back what we have done before. So this was my very first video, obviously. So this was the video that I created in 2020, and it's something that I'm very proud of, since I spent a lot of time doing a design. So I like to share the whole process behind. Obviously this type of video you won't get any money, but you get satisfaction. So $0, and I'm just going to use USD to calculate the cost. And the second video, it's about 8 USD followed by 40 USD, $45 USD, and this thing comes in a pack of 3. Next will be the movie, which is about 100 USD together with the iPad stand. The Whitestone iWatch screen protector. Next will be the HD 60 Plus from Elgato, which is 230 USD. Stream Deck, about 190 USD. Atom Mini Pro, 680 USD. And the next two video is just going to be a tutorial video, so it's zero cost. Next is Bellroy Sling at about 92 USD. A Z flat tube head about 23 USD. A phone mount 12 USD, followed by another tutorial which costs 0 USD. Moleskine case 68 USD. Remote Bluetooth from Moment 15 USD. Peak Design cuff at 37 USD. Next is a tutorial video, 0. Moment wide angle lens that costs 120 USD. On top of that, I purchased the mount, 30 USD. And next is more like a sentimental video, which is the lockdown in Singapore, happened in Singapore. It is a rare scene, and I guess you should go check it out. This was the video that the company sent the product to me for review. Next is a WD hard drive, which costs about 115 USD. And I have a very expensive laptop stand which costs 130. Next is just a very proud moment which I did in 2017, longest fruit mosaic. Next up, a Super Macro lens from Yulanzi, 23 USD. Rev Power 2-in-1, 23 USD. And followed by that, everybody was complaining about my audio, so I went down to purchase the Rode Video, which cost about 135 USD. And I want to check it out, a cheap capture card, which is about $10 USD. Next is a sound card, which is about 15 USD. And I purchased the rugged moment case for 40 USD. AC's USB hub at 30 USD. Next is an exciting video that Apple has launched a new store in Singapore, 0 USD. Greenbook from Kickstarter, 20 USD. And I got myself an Apple 30 pin at very cheap price, $8 USD. Next is a tulip pouch, which is about 23 USD. Kiosk stand, about 75 USD. Next is just a video that I went down to experience the Apple store in Singapore. There's a vlog, followed by a triple cold shoe mouse by Yulanzi, 12 USD. And I got myself a very expensive Magic Keyboard for iPad, 299 USD. A foldable phone stand, 9 USD. Next will be iPhone Lightning Dock, 49 USD. A vertical mouse which I wanted to try, 19 USD. A Rev Power PD Pioneer Power Big Bang, $300 USD. Native Union iPad case, about 99 USD. And the last but not least, from Kickstarter, the Oya Nova Gym, which is about 240 USD. Let's add the total amount that I have spent over the past year for unboxing. And that adds up a total of 3,399 USD, which is about $4,500.05. Damn, this is so much money that I have spent. How much subscriber have I gained from this $4,000? Damn. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be very transparent about my earning. So right now I'm just going to go into my account and show you guys how much I earn from YouTube.